In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Klaviyo Email Builder. This process is quick and easy, taking just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your browser and type in the URL www.klaviyo.com. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the login button at the top of the page. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. After entering your credentials, proceed by clicking the login button to gain access to your Klaviyo account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the campaigns section. This is where all your email campaigns are organized. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you're not already. Now choose an existing email campaign where you'd like to change the background color. Click on that specific campaign to open it up. After selecting the email campaign, you'll need to move forward by clicking the next button. This button is typically found at the bottom or the top right corner of the campaign summary page. By clicking it, you'll transition to the area where you can make changes to your email template. Once the email template loads on your screen, look for the edit button. Click on edit and this will open up the customization options for your email template. Now you want to focus on the section settings within the opened editor. You'll see various tabs here, but go ahead and click on the one labeled Styles. This tab is essential for making stylistic changes to your email, including the background. Within the Styles tab, locate the section that says Background. This is where you can select and customize the background color for your email. Now here's the fun part. From the color palette provided, pick your desired background color. Take your time to choose the color that best fits your email campaign's theme or branding. Experiment with different shades until you're satisfied. Finally, to make sure all your changes are saved and applied, look for a button that says Done or Save. Click on it and voila, your background color is updated. This step ensures that all the modifications you've made are preserved and reflected in the final email template. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of your email in Klaviyo. Remember, these customization features in Klaviyo help you create visually engaging emails that can captivate your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. See you next time.